डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम बात करेंगे 8086 एड्रेसिंग मोड्स के बारे में। एड्रेसिंग मोड्स वो होता है कि इट इज़ हाउ अ सोर्स ऑपरेंड इज़ डिनोटेड इन द इंस्ट्रक्शन and how microprocessor receives and copies data from one location to another location. This is known as addressing mode. Now there are 8 addressing modes in 8086 programming, basic addressing modes in 8086 programming. Other than that, for another some intersegment, intrasegment addressing modes are there. So we will discuss about the 8 addressing modes today. The first addressing mode is the immediate addressing mode. In this addressing mode, the data operand is the part of the instruction itself. For example, if instruction is move cx comma 492h, this is an instruction, move cx comma 492h. So data is specified as 492h is the hexadecimal data which will be copied to the cx register of the microprocessor, and this will be copied immediately without any other reference or without any other step. So another instruction is the add ax comma 2387h. This h represents the hexadecimal value. Therefore here what it will do, that 2387 is added to the accumulator ax directly. So this is how the data has been specified immediately in the instruction itself. Another instruction is move al comma ffh. So this ffh is 8-bit data. This will be copied to the al 8-bit register, 8-bit lower 8-bit of the ax register, that is accumulator lower byte. It will be copied. So in this way you can use the immediate addressing mode by writing the data in the instruction itself as a part of the instruction is treated. Now second addressing mode is the register addressing mode. It means that the register is the source and destination both. So register to register data copying will be done in this, or data copying or addition, subtraction, all the operations will be performed between the contents of the registers only. So first instruction, move cx comma ax. This ax is the source and cx is the destination. So it will copy data from accumulator to the cx register. Add bx comma ax. It means the contents of ax will be added to bx and result will be stored in the bx itself. So no any other data byte is given in the instruction, only the registers are mentioned. So directly the operation will be performed within the registers. Now the third type of addressing mode is the direct addressing mode. In this addressing mode, the effective address of the memory location is given. You can see in the example, like move ax comma, in the square bracket we have written 1592h. This is the effective address of the memory. Effective address of the memory which is given in the offset. This offset of the data segment. So whatever data is contained in this effective address specified location, that will be copied to the ax. In the same manner, move al comma, the memory location is specified, effective address is specified 0300h. Then register indirect addressing mode. This mode allows the data to be addressed at memory location and will be contained in an offset register, following offset register: base index, base pointer, or data index, source index. So the value will be specified here, just like given in this equation in instruction, move ax comma square bracket bx. It means whatever address is specified in bx, that will be contained copied to ax. Similarly, add cx comma bx. The register bx contents will be moved to ax, and here register bx contents will be added to CX register. Then next is the based addressing mode. Base addressing mode में the offset address of the operand is given by the base pointer or BX register and will be 8-bit or 16-bit displacement. So the example instruction is move dx comma in the square bracket bx plus 4. This 04 is the displacement, which is 8-bit displacement, and bx register is specified. The bx register address plus 04 will be denoting a location, memory location, effective address of the location, and whatever data is on that location will be moved into the dx register. In the same manner, add cl comma bx plus 08. So bx register plus 08 जो भी लोकेशन आएगा उस लोकेशन पे जो डेटा होगा दैट विल बी एडेड टू द CL रजिस्टर. नेक्स्ट एड्रेसिंग मोड इज इंडेक्स एड्रेसिंग मोड. In this addressing mode, the operand offset is found by adding the contents of SI source or destination index register with 8-bit or 16-bit displacement. So move BX, SI plus 16. तो SI register content plus उसमें 16 का displacement हुआ. This is 8-bit displacement. तो जो लोकेशन को ये पॉइंट करेगा उस लोकेशन में जो डेटा होगा दैट विल बी कॉपीड टू BX रजिस्टर. सिमिलरली दिस लोकेशन DI plus 16 लोकेशन में जो डेटा होगा दैट विल बी एडेड टू AL रजिस्टर. And next is the based index addressing mode. In this mode, the offset address of the operand is computed by the base register the content of index register. So एग्ज़ाम्पल इज़ मूव AX, AX प्लस DI. तो AX में जो स्पेसिफाइड लोकेशन है प्लस DI, उस जो लोकेशन नया बनेगा उस लोकेशन में जो भी डेटा होगा दैट विल बी कॉपीड टू AX. देन द लास्ट एड्रेसिंग मोड इज़ द बेस्ड इंडेक्स्ड विथ डिस्प्लेसमेंट मोड. अभी आपने जो देखा था मूव AX, AX प्लस DI, इसमें कुछ 8-bit या 16-bit डिस्प्लेसमेंट ऐड करके जो न्यू लोकेशन आएगा उसका डेटा विल बी कॉपीड टू AX रजिस्टर. तो इन दिस एड्रेसिंग मोड द ऑपरेंड्स ऑफसेट इज